Welcome to Nature's Eye Wonders. Animals with the largest eyes. In this captivating journey through the animal kingdom, we explore the extraordinary visual adaptations of creatures with truly remarkable eyes. From the depths of the ocean to the dense forests, get ready to witness the wonders of nature up close. Join us as we dive into the mysterious world of the colossal squid and the giant squid, unraveling their secrets in the dark abyss. Then, we venture into the nocturnal realm of the Tarsier, where their enchanting big eyes enable them to rule the night. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning diversity and functionality of these remarkable visual organs. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the captivating world of animals with the largest eyes. Let's begin this unforgettable journey. Nature's Eye Wonders. Animals with the largest eyes. In the diverse tapestry of the animal kingdom, there are some fascinating creatures that possess remarkable adaptations to survive and thrive in their environments. One such adaptation that captures our imagination is the size of their eyes. In this video, we embark on a journey to discover the animals with the largest eyes, marveling at the incredible diversity and functionality of these captivating visual organs. One, the colossal squid, unveiling the depths. Deep within the dark abyss of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates, lurks the mysterious and elusive colossal squid, Mezonychoteuthis hamiltoni. This legendary creature, known for its massive proportions and deep-sea habitat, claims the title for possessing the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. The colossal squid's eyes are truly awe-inspiring, measuring up to a staggering 12 to 16 inches, 30 to 40 centimeters, in diameter. These enormous orbs provide the squid with exceptional vision, allowing it to navigate its pitch-black surroundings and detect bioluminescent organisms or potential prey. The colossal squid's eyes are adapted to capture even the faintest traces of light, enabling it to thrive in the depths where most other creatures cannot. Two, the giant squid, masters of the deep. Closely related to the colossal squid, the giant squid, Architeuthis dux, is another deep-sea dweller renowned for its extraordinary eye size. Although slightly smaller than those of the colossal squid, the giant squid's eyes still rank among the largest in the animal kingdom, measuring approximately 11 inches, 27 centimeters, in diameter. Like their colossal counterparts, the giant squid's eyes possess exceptional light sensitivity, allowing them to perceive even the dimmest glimmers of light in their lightless habitat. These giant eyes provide the squid with crucial information about their surroundings, enabling them to locate prey and navigate through the depths with precision. Three, the big-eyed tarsier, masters of the night. Venturing into the realm of land-dwelling creatures, we encounter the Tarsiers, a group of small primates known for their nocturnal habits and disproportionately large eyes. Found in various parts of Southeast Asia, these endearing creatures possess eyes that are remarkably large relative to their body size. The Tarsier's eyes measure approximately 1.6 inches, 4 centimeters, in diameter, making them some of the largest eyes relative to body size among all mammals. These immense eyes endow tarsiers with exceptional night vision, allowing them to spot the tiniest movements of their insect prey in the darkness. The large eyes also enhance their depth perception and enable them to accurately gauge distances as they leap through the trees with astonishing agility. The animal kingdom never fails to astonish us with its incredible adaptations, and the diversity of eye sizes among different species is a testament to nature's ingenuity. From the colossal squid and giant squid, who have mastered the art of vision in the depths of the ocean, to the tarsier with its big eyes and exceptional nocturnal abilities, these animals showcase the wide array of strategies employed by nature to ensure survival and success. The largest eyes in the animal kingdom not only captivate our imagination but also remind us of the intricacies of evolution and the remarkable variety of life on our planet. As we continue to explore and understand these magnificent creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of nature and the mysteries that lie within the gaze of animals with the largest eyes. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of nature's eye wonders. We hope you were inspired by the fascinating adaptations of these animals with the largest eyes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of the natural world.